the juice bar and cooking show and also food news channel. Anyway, today on the juice bar channel, I just make a simple, very healthy smoothie. It is Valentine, and I just give it a little bit of, extra inside of it. So check out the video. Video is a lovely video, and please subscribe, leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend and a friend to a friend, and also, you know what? Your comments is important. If you like this drink, please leave it. It's a smoothie, and it is a Valentine smoothie, Valentine special smoothie. Anyway, guys, remember my cookbook is out. Get my cookbook. We've been doing a lot of work on it now because of, a lot of people doesn't know about my cookbook, so we're trying to get it out. That's a lot more people can get to hear about this cookbook. It's not like the new one, which I'm going to be releasing very soon, but we're using this one to help the other one. All right. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned, and don't forget to click in the notification bell for nice and beautiful, guys. So basically, I'm going to be making a Valentine recipe of smoothie. I did an early one. I got some nice, lovely forest fruits, which I'm going to be using. So look at this now. It's a mixed forest fruits. You got bits and pieces in it. I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, and just roughly about 4 tablespoons of the black forest fruits inside of it, just like that. Alright, once you do that, next what we're going to do is get half of a ripe banana, and it's going to be an easy one. That's the banana. Put the banana straight inside of it like that. We have some fresh strawberry, which is very important to use. So we're going to be using some strawberry. And these are fresh strawberry. These are frozen fruits I've been using. So you can get that at the local shop or supermarket to buy. That is fantastic and lovely. So I'm using 4 of the fresh strawberry. Now we're going to put roughly about a teaspoon of lemon honey inside of it. Alright, that's a teaspoon. I'm just going to use a little bit of water, or you can use milk, whatever you like to use, but water is the best. Or you can use coconut to bring enough flavor to it. Alright, just going to simple cover it. And we're just going to be blending this about 2 to 3 seconds. Lovely. Alright, that is lovely and nice. Alright, so we don't need to go any further with that. That looking so good and so nice. So basically what we're going to do now is simple, pour it out and make you guys can see exactly what's going on in the kitchen. Alright. Look at this. Alright. So once you do that, you can simply get some fresh cream. Just put in it like that. So that is just really amazing. Alright. Once you do that, that's simple. Get a little strawberry and put in the top like that, guys, and you're good to go. So please enjoy the recipe and subscribe. Leave your comments in the description box. As you can see it for yourself, is a fantastic, lovely Valentine recipe right here. So just enjoy the recipe, subscribe, and leave your comments in the description box. Valentine special recipe from Chef Ricardo. And I will see you next time in the kitchen with more recipe. Bye bye.